How to upgrade or buy ChatGPT subscription. If you wish to either upgrade or buy subscription on ChatGPT, instead of using the ChatGPT app, I would just recommend that you open up your browser even if you're using on mobile and go to chatgpt.com and log into the account where you would like to purchase the subscription. Once you've done that, tap on the lines icon from the top left, which could be 3 lines or 2 lines. Then from the bottom, you can see this option called upgrade. So what you have to do is just tap on this little upgrade button that is visible to you. You can see 2 types of plan. One is a personal plan and one is a business plan. So basically you will get a couple of trial over here, which is the free plan, the go plan, the plus plan, the pro plan, whichever is much more convenient for you. Based on whichever is convenient, you can just tap on the upgrade button. You'll see all of the perks of those respective plans, and lastly you have to simply choose your payment details quite wisely. So just wait until this basically has loaded up. Once it has loaded up, you can choose your payment details. Like currently we only have the option to subscribe using our card, so just type in your card number, type in the expiration date of the card, the CVC code or the security code, your billing address, your country, your address line, and finally tap the subscribe button, and this will be the amount of money based on the plan that you've chosen, which will be charged every month automatically unless you choose to cancel it. So this way you can upgrade or buy your ChatGPT subscription. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.